Welcome to the overview for this first section on the lifelong project. In this first section, we'll build a solid foundation about initiating your project, about what is the lifelong project. And so we will examine the project management life cycle, and then how you move through initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing. We will also talk about the similarities between projects and life. In life, we are constrained by things such as our time, the amount of money that we have, the people that are involved in our life, who we talk to, risk, things of that nature. Well, in projects, those same characteristics hold true. We're constrained by time and cost and people that are on our team and risk and communications and so forth. And so life and projects have a lot of things in common. We are the lifelong project only examining 1 year of your life. From today, your current state, to a year from today, your desired future state. So we start off with creating a constraint of a 1 year objective to achieve your goals. This means that the goals that you create should fit within 365 days. We can't say, for example, I want a project to earn a 4-year degree and to do that in 1 year. That's just not feasible. But we might say we would want to complete 1 year of that 4-year degree. So that would be acceptable. In this first section as well, we're going to talk about what do you value? What's valuable to you? Where do you spend your time? And then we'll also look at one of my favorite topics to talk about, having a joyful life. Let's get started.
This course is comprised of 7 sections. First, we'll talk about your lifelong project. In section 2, we'll talk about initiating the lifelong project. Section 3, we'll look at measuring your willingness. Then we'll talk about executing the lifelong project, monitoring and controlling the lifelong project, closing the lifelong project, and then finally, living the lifelong project. How does this work? Well, this is all based on my experiences in my life and what's worked for me. And what's worked for me may not work for you, but I bet that it will. This is a logical, methodical approach to achieving your goals over 1 year of your life. This isn't magic. This isn't wishful thinking. It's not even positive thinking. This is all about positive doing. And until you do something, nothing will happen. Positive doing, however, is based on knowing what you want to do and then knowing when to do it. And then, of course, you've got to go out and actually do the work. You have to go out and take action. And that's what we'll map out in this course. I will help you achieve more than you thought possible, but it's up to you to do the work. Vision is knowing and seeing what you must do before you do it. Vision is half the battle. If you know what to do, then you just have to do it. If you want the lifelong project to work for you, there are 5 rules you must follow in this course. First off, you're going to follow the course in the order it is presented, because this order will help you identify and document and map out the activities that you must do. It will help you formulate the entire vision for your project. Watch all of the lectures. If you skip a lecture, then you're not getting all of the information to build your vision. So watch all of the lectures and then do the exercises. In this course, you'll be presented with exercises throughout the course, and so you need to pause and take some time and be prepared to complete these forms and do the exercises. In each section, I give you a chapter from my book, The Lifelong Project. And you need to take the time to read The Lifelong Project. And then finally, don't be a quitter. Don't be a quitter. Many people start training courses and they don't complete the course. I see it all the time with courses that I teach online. So if you want to know what to do, if you want to achieve your goals, start now. And what I mean by that is achieve the first goal of dedicating yourself to completing this course. Don't start this course and then quit it. Don't be a quitter, be a finisher.